Hey everybody, welcome back to the ever-changing kitchen floor. Got the last layer up, so now it's black. Yeah. So we're gonna make balsamic glazed salmon. So let's get started. We're gonna start with the glaze before we cook the fish. And we're going to reduce this. So we're putting half a cup, don't inhale, of balsamic vinegar, a quarter cup of whatever your favorite white wine is, or you can use broth or water. That's at Tillsdale. You can use a Chardonnay or whatever you like. We are going to use 2 tablespoons of honey. And whatever your favorite honey. If you spray your spoon first, it won't stick. I'm just getting it everywhere, trying not to get it everywhere. Let me get a spatulator. Okay. Get that out of there. And see if I can. I'll just take a rag to that. Making it worse. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. A lot of dressings and stuff have Dijon mustard in them. It just helps it emulsify, plus the flavor, of course. And then we are going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of dried rosemary or a sprig of fresh. Get that in there. And 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to rinse my hands because they are sticky. Find a clove of garlic. And I'll use my microplane. And if you're not a garlic fan, this really, excuse me, gets strong when you grate it this way. There was a hair on my hand. I don't know why, I just washed them. Just don't grind your finger and don't inhale. I said that because I just inhaled and realized you could really cough. stir that about and let it reduce to where you have about 1/3 of a cup. So we're going to let this reduce. I'm going to get a whisk so I can get that mustard really. Oh, we need some salt and pepper. Can't forget that. And that's to taste, so you can taste it and see how it is for you. Smells good already. And I like that right where it's at, so I'm going to let it reduce and it'll be kind of syrupy, and then we'll cook our salmon. Okay, so we have a scorching hot pan. Get ready. It's hot. Make sure your fish is dry enough. And it is salt and pepper. I'm going to daub this off more and mush it down. This is wild caught salmon. Hopefully this one's drier. There's a little safer. I'm going to add a little more salt since I smushed them. My dog just scared me to death. Neighbors are probably home letting their dogs out and got mine all excited. Lily's out, Lily's out. The neighbor's dog. I'm going to do these a couple of minutes on each side. We actually don't like salmon, hence the balsamic glaze. That is in hopes it kills the flavor. For me, salmon's a little too fishy. This is good quality though. So, this is sockeye, by the way, sockeye salmon. So yeah, I'm going to let this cook for a couple of minutes and then flip it over, and when I do that, I'll be back. Okay, after about 2 minutes on each side, hopefully it doesn't stick. I've got the burner turned off. Okay. My husband wants me to take the skin off. Just a second. That came off real easy. I'll give that to my dogs. Now normally you would want to strain your sauce. But I am just going to get a spoon and just smother it in that sauce. And you can use this sauce on chicken or pork. Okay, I probably could have reduced that some more. Wipe the edge of my plate. Get some mashed potatoes. There's our fish. It looks good. Get our potatoes. Put a pat of butter. Garlic mashed potatoes. Just put a little pat of butter on top. And I have some asparagus. Let me get that on the plate. And there it is, our balsamic glazed salmon with asparagus, garlic mashed potatoes. So give it a try, let yours reduce a little more, get a little more thick, and let me know if you like it. Try it on chicken, try it on pork, and yeah, I will see you all in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Canning videos are coming. I'm going to can some broth in the Carry canner after dinner. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.